Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn to solve smart with BODMAS rule. Think of a scenario where people are not following traffic rule. What will happen? The road would be total chaos. BODMAS is mass traffic controller. It keeps the mass highway safe. Meet the BODMAS team. B for bracket. They are like ambulance. They have the highest priority. They are the first one to go. O for order. They are like fire truck. They go next. D for division, M for multiplication. They are like speedy car. They both have equal priority. Who comes from the left first goes first. A for addition, S for subtraction. They are the relaxed bicycle. They have the equal priority. Who comes first from the left goes first. Without word mass, a single expression could have multiple answers. Let us find out how. We will take an expression 10 plus 5 into 3 minus 1. If we solve by the operation strictly from left to right, we will do addition first. 10 plus 5 equals to 15. The expression will become 15 into 3 minus 1. Next multiplication, 15 into 3 equals to 45. Expression becomes 45 minus 1. And finally, we will do subtraction. 45 minus 1 equals to 44. So result 1 is 44. Now, if you solve the expression by the operation strictly from right to left, we will do subtraction first. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So the expression becomes 10 plus 5 into 2. Then multiplication, 5 into 2 equals to 10. Expression becomes 10 plus 10. And finally, we will perform addition. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. So result 2 is equal to 20. Now let us solve it by the BODMAS rule. So we'll skip B, we'll skip O, we'll skip D. So we'll do multiplication first. So 5 into 3 equals to 15. The expression becomes 10 plus 15 minus 1. Addition and subtraction both are there, but addition is coming first from the left. So we'll do addition first. 10 plus 15 equals to 25. The expression becomes 25 minus 1. Finally, we'll do subtraction. 25 minus 1 equals to 24. So answer is 24. Among all these answers, 24 is the correct one as we have solved it by BODMAS rule.